Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale Snowy on piano. To begin, let's focus on the right hand. The melody starts with a simple C, D, E, G pattern using fingers 1, 2, 3, and 5. For your left hand, you'll be playing basic C major and G major chords. Practice these hands separately at first, ensuring each note is clear and even. This foundational step is crucial for building a smooth performance. The right hand carries the iconic melody of Snowy. You'll mostly be playing within the C major scale, starting with C, D, E, and G. Focus on using fingers 1, 2, and 3 for the initial phrases, ensuring a smooth legato. Remember to keep your touch light and gentle, creating that ethereal, wintry sound. This delicate approach truly brings the piece to life. Now, let's turn our attention to the left hand's accompaniment. You'll be playing a simple, repeating chord progression: C major, G major, A minor, and F major. These are best played in root position for a solid foundation. Focus on keeping a steady, even rhythm, providing a gentle backdrop for the right hand melody. This consistent support is key to the song's overall feel. Bringing both hands together requires patience and focused practice. Start by playing each hand separately until you feel completely comfortable. Then, combine them at a very slow tempo, perhaps using a metronome set to 60 beats per minute. Gradually increase your speed as you gain confidence. Always listen for a balanced sound, ensuring the melody shines through the accompaniment. Consistent practice will lead to mastery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.